Can barely put my feet on the pegs over here. Oh, they're getting stuck. Yes!
Warning. This video contains excessive heavy breathing. If you don't want a part of it, leave!
Nice. Been practicing, this kid. He's getting it all vertical, trying to no-hand it. Nice. Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I am back on my Surron today, my lovely Surron. Man, I love this thing so much. It's just unbelievable. Today, me and Liam, we're going to be going up this one trail that when you come into the trailhead, it kind of splits up in a few different directions, and we always take the same track, the same path every time, and we never explored the other area of this location. So we're gonna be doing that today. As always, if you like this type of content, I typically do not ask in the beginning of the video, but if you enjoy this type of content and you want to help the channel out, definitely hit that like button. You know, it's free. If you want to see more of this type of stuff, then hit the subscribe button, which is also free. If you want to take it a step further and really show support and love to the channel, then you can check out the link in the description. I got my own Volted gloves right here. You guys can see them. I'll throw a picture on the screen. I also have this Volted keychain down here. Just kind of cool. It's just a way to kind of get some merch and help support the channel, so definitely check that out in the description. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the trail. All right, here we go. So this trail I've done plenty of times before. It's called the Caballero Trail, and we continue straight and we start that trail, but over here is something new. Let's try that out. Hey, is the trail this messed up all the way up?
Somewhat. It has like its parts. Like it'll be good, and then it gets like this.
It will be hard to do on a bike?
A little.
I see. Okay, no, you come down first. Yeah.
Once you're done, you can like
Where does it end? All the way up Mulholland?
Yeah, all the way up.
I got you. All right. Let's try this. Oh my God, steep around here. Big rocks. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man. Last thing I want to do is start pushing this thing around like we did last time. running out of breath and stuff. It's kind of like the last thing I'm interested in. Oh my God. Whew. That's a hell of an uphill right here. Hell of a climb. Okay, my turn. Starting to get some altitude over here. Yeah, this stuff climbs up quick, man. I should have turned on Strava to see what we're accomplishing. Okay, this kind of difficulty of trail, that's what this the trail with the Surron, we did this gnarly trail, and it was supposed to be like this, and it ended up being, oh man, a nightmare to say the least. This is fun compared to that, but here we go, some big rocks. Big rocks around here. Don't want him to shoot rocks at me. What a crazy trail. Oh, I'm about to fall. Oh my God. Starting to look like more and more of one of those breathing videos. My, this terrain is gnarly. What's happening? Oh my God. We're almost at the end. Oh, that's nice. It's much nicer like this. It's crazy what the rain has dug in here. It's like a little mini trench. Can barely put my feet on the pegs over here. Oh, they're getting stuck. Not a lot of room to maneuver here. My pegs. Man, that's a hell of a picture. All right, finished with that little bit. My God, that bit was intense. And my foot pegs are like on the verge of touching here. I really hope we're towards the end right here, which kind of seems like it. This was an interesting trail. Okay. Please stay like this until the end. That's all I ask. Just stay like this until the end, and this would be great. Come on, something feels off on my handlebars. Look at this view, so beautiful. All right, let's try to handle this last bit right here. Going down. Finally, oh my God. Oh my God, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Oh my God, guys, that trail. Nice. Wow. I don't know, yeah, I was all excited. I don't know what's up with me and my friends, but I got some psycho ass friends. And with the trails we choose, man, that was gnarly. Excuse the heavy breathing that was in this video. I don't know why we choose these hard trails, these black diamonds to go through, but man, this bike never fails. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching very, very much. Thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.